Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, I'm making a short video today because Divi's just brought out a fantastic update, and it's called Divi Sticky Options. And what it does is enable you to stick just about anything anywhere on your page and release it when you need to, and I'll demonstrate that in a moment. To make this happen, you want to make sure you've got the latest version, or current version is 4.6. If you haven't got that, update to it, because this won't be there on previous versions. So let's enable a visual builder, and I'll show you a couple of features. Okay, now we've got the builder enabled. Let's go down and choose something to stick somewhere. That'd be a nice idea to stick somewhere, the Hire Me button. I'm going to go into the module, and this will work on modules, rows and sections. Once in there, I'm going to go over to advanced, down to scroll effects, and there it is, sticky position. If you don't see this, it's probably because you've not got the updated version of the Divi theme, so make sure you do. So do not stick, leave it where it is. Let's stick it to the top, and initially you won't see any difference there, but when I save this, when I roll up, you can see it sticks to the top there, so you can hire this guy all the way down the site. When we roll back down, it'll jump back into its position. And like I say, you can do that with any element. That is so cool. If we go back in there, you've also got options to actually offset it as well. If you don't like where it's sitting on top there, you can offset it a little bit. So if we go up, it's sticking there, you don't like that, you can just offset it by moving this slider here or typing in whatever it is, and it'll stay in that position. And that's awesome too. And just to demonstrate further, let's go down to a section or something else and stick something to the bottom. How about this? View my experience. We'll do it on a section this time. So blue for a section, green for a row. I'm going to go into this section and let's stick it to the bottom. Again, advanced tab, down to scroll effects. We'll stick this one, stick to the bottom. And that way, we're at the bottom of the site now. When I scroll back up the site, let's just save this, it'll stick to the bottom there. There we go. Now you might decide, well, that's a bit intrusive having that there all the time. So we can put parameters on it. So let's go back into this button, and let's say perhaps we only want this button to be there on the top half of the site, or in the section that it's actually in. So let's go up here, go back over to our advanced, down to scroll effects. Now I should mention too, you can stick it to the top and the bottom. Well, that's fine, I'll leave it where it is, sticking to the top. But let's go down and we'll say sticky limit right here, bottom sticky limit. Select that, and you can choose a body area, the section that it's in, or the row it's in. Once it goes outside of the section or the row or the column that it's in, it'll no longer be sticky, and I'll demonstrate that. Let's do it with the section. Save that, and I'll just unstick this one down here just so it's out of the way. Okay, let's go back up to the top. Now when we scroll down, that button should still stick. There it is right there. But when we exit this section, that looks like the bottom of it there where the orange tab is. It's obviously a specialty section. It should unstick itself and go back to its normal position. So it'll stick to the top. Then when we get down to the end of the section, it disappears back up to its regular position. And like I say, you can do that on sections, rows, columns, modules, whatever you want. It really is a phenomenal feature. I'm really impressed. So well done, Divi, you've done it yet again. And like I say, remember, you need the Most previous version of Divi to get this working, 4.6 is the release at the moment. Let's just exit the Visual Builder, make sure this is going to work on the other end. Might want to save my changes. And this literally came out yesterday, or I got the notification yesterday. Okay, let's see if it's going to work. Yep, it's sticking there nicely. And our section end is somewhere around here, I believe. And it's disappeared. Fantastic. Works perfectly. So there you have it, guys. There's the new Divi sticky options for you. I think it's a fantastic feature, so play with it, enjoy it. And I think that's just wonderful. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.